Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here at Notorious Exhaust in Sukat. We're trying to do a remuffler delete and put them out the fake tailpipe, but it cannot be. As you can see, that's a fake exhaust bit. But then Ford, whoever engineered this thing, just made it one pipe, one big muffler and a drop pipe. But I was going to just remove the muffler and try insert it, but there's no room at all to insert the muffler into the fake tips. So here's what so for anyone else, here's what the exhaust looks like. That's the original exhaust. So if you're thinking of doing what I was gonna do, which I cannot do anymore because the setup of Ford with the fake outlets, you got the chassis rail in the middle, so you cannot even enter the fake chassis rail tips at all. So now I'm thinking maybe just cut the muffler, put a pipe straight on the side and drop it on this side here. What do you guys think? And as you can see, it's got the 20-inch wheels on it. All the chrome's been deleted on the handles, the moulding. Thank you for watching. I'll post this so no one else goes to an exhaust shop to try to do what I was gonna do. Take care and God bless.